Learn SEO in just 5 minutes a day. My company, NP Digital, was the 21st fastest growing company in the United States according to Inc. magazine. And SEO is one of the biggest reasons for my success and that company's success. It allows you to get traffic, leads, and sales without paying an arm and a leg. If I had to buy my traffic with ads, it would cost $5,134,294 a month. And ad costs keep going up each month, but that was the latest number when I Googled for each of my keywords, just for shits and giggles. And that's expensive. While with SEO, I don't even spend 1% of that. If I had to spend that $5+ million, I wouldn't have a profitable company. So how do you become an SEO expert without having all the time in the world? Well, here's how you do it in just 5 minutes a day. Step 1, go to Ubersuggests. Put in your URL, create an account, create a project, and put in some of the keywords you want to rank for. Ubersuggests will also give you keywords that you can rank for if you don't have any keywords that you want to rank for. This doesn't even take 5 minutes. And every week, Ubersuggests will send you emails on what's wrong with your site and how to fix it, and it'll give you simple tasks, 2 or 3, and that'll improve your rankings over time and teach you SEO because you're doing it on your own website. Step 2, I want you to read neilpatel.com, Backlinko, and Search Engine Land. You don't have to read articles every day or anything like that, but just read 1 or 2 a week that you like. It'll keep you up to date with the new tactics and strategies and how to keep improving your rankings. Step 3, listen to Marketing School Podcast. Not every episode is on SEO. There's an episode every single day, but at least 1 episode a week is usually on SEO, and the Marketing School Podcast is under 5 minutes. And as you listen to a few of the podcast episodes, if you just give it time and you listen to them for a few months, not every single day, but just pick some every single week, you'll learn SEO quickly without spending more than 5 minutes a day. Look, it doesn't take much more than that. Just give it some time, do this for a few months, and you'll learn SEO quickly without spending more than 5 minutes a day. And if you don't want to spend the time and you just want someone to spend more time on it and get the results faster, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we do this for companies. Heck, we do all forms of marketing for companies. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell people about it, subscribe to this channel. If you have questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. And sincerely, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. It really does make my day.